So I'm here in Sintung village and in this beautiful waterfall called Warishi waterfall. And if you can see the water behind me, crystal clear, a very beautiful spot. And I would urge all our tourists to definitely visit this place whenever they come to our state of Meghalaya. So we are here in Sintung village in Mawkhundryu constituency in East Khasi Hills, and we are right now here to see this beautiful place which has got huge potential for tourism, and we will be developing the tourism sector also out here by ensuring that we put up infrastructure and other amenities. But apart from tourism, as we can see on my side and behind me and across, that there's a huge scope for strawberry plantation out here. And the agriculture department has taken large number of steps to ensure that this particular plantation and product is promoted. And through that whole process, today more than 250 plus beneficiaries are getting benefit here in Sintung village, and at the same time they are marketing this product all the way to Guwahati through Naramak, and also at the same time they are selling the product out here in the state as well as supplying it to IIHM, and there's a huge demand for it, and at the same time the farmers are getting a very good price also for this. So from the agriculture department we are committed, and as a government we're committed to give full support, and I see that there's a huge potential in terms of processing these products, and therefore in the coming days we will put up a processing unit out here through which the farmers can get benefit, and the farmers around this region also can get benefit, and the tourists also can actually get a whole experience of not just the plantation but the different products that will come out of the strawberries that are grown out here. So I'm very happy, and I urge our tourists also to come and experience this and be part of our farmers' lives, promote them, support them, and that way, as I said, we'll be able to create much more value and many more livelihoods through these programs. Thank you very much.